Hey, what's going on, everybody? BFT here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I'm coming back at you with another special service message 51748, and this is dealing with the 2023 Super Duties with the wireless charge mat. You know, the little mat you stick your phone on and it charges your phone for you. There's been some complaints of it making a humming, buzzing noise, and Ford has heard you and they have found out what the problem is. And to be honest with you, it's nothing major. It's probably something that you can do at home if yours is making a buzzing noise or a humming noise. And it is actually due to the electrical harness or electrical tape on the harness rubbing against the fan. So all I gotta do is go up in there and move the harness. I don't know if they actually have a fix for it where they move it out of the way, but I'm sure that's something that you can do at your home. And so that's SSM51748, I think it was. I was looking at PTS earlier, and this affects the 2023 Super Duties with the wireless charge mat. It's a beautiful day outside. I hope everybody's having a great day. As always, that is all the information I have for you on that one. That is a very simple, quick fix that I'm sure that you can do at home. And I love you guys, and I will see you on the next one.